Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some fried chicken wings, and I'm also gonna fry some shrimp. So that's my shrimp there, and as you can see it already washed, is clean. And as you can see, I cut my shrimp also. And guys, I'm using king size shrimp, so it's not too small. So now I'm gonna season my chicken wings first. So these are all of my seasoning. I have all-purpose seasoning. I also have everyday seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, and it's all 1 teaspoonful. Okay, so first guys, make sure you blend all of your seasoning together. Make sure everything is all combined together. Okay, so after all of your seasoning is all blend together, you're just gonna sprinkle it all over on your chicken wings. Okay, and I'm gonna also sprinkle some of my seasoning on the prawns also. Okay, so after you sprinkle all your seasoning all over on your chicken wings, you're just gonna take your hands and just massage it all together. Okay, my hands look a bit hashy, and the reason why it look so hashy is because I have to keep on washing my hands, so that's why. I just saw it. And don't be scared to get your hands all in that chicken so it will season properly, okay? Because you want all this seasoning to go on all of your chicken wings because you want it to full of flavor, okay? So make sure you get your hands dirty, yeah. So my chicken wings is all seasoning, and that's what this look like. So now I'm gonna move on to my prawns, okay? So you just want to carry on with the same process. Just take your hands and just massage your prawns, okay? Make sure all the seasoning is all on your prawns because you want it to be nice and full of flavor, okay? And guys, as you can see, I leave the tail on my prawns because I want when I'm eating it, I can just hold the tail and just eat it just like so. So now I'm gonna make my flour mixture. So here I've got at least 1 cup of plain flour. And guys, as you can see, I'm adding my remaining seasoning that's left from the beginning of the video. And I'm also gonna add to that seasoning, I'm gonna add 1 spoonful of garlic powder and just a tiny bit of salt, okay? So you just want to blend all of your seasoning together, and then you're just gonna pour it all on your flour, okay? Then you want to take a fork and you just want to mix it all together because you want everything to all combine, okay? So it is all blend together, and that's what it look like, okay? So now I'm gonna make my egg mixture. So here I have 2 eggs, And I also have quarter cup of milk and 2 spoonful of hot pepper sauce. It all depends how spicy you want it to be. So now guys, you're gonna take a fork or whatever you have and you're just gonna blend all your egg together. Make sure it is all mixed, okay? So after you beat your egg, now you're gonna add your hot pepper sauce, okay? So I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon, okay? Then you wanna give it a stir. Then now you're gonna wanna add your milk. Then you wanna give it a stir. So now I'm gonna pour some of my mixture all on my chicken wings, okay? And guys, you can always leave it to marinate for at least 1 to 2 hours or even overnight, okay? So now I'm gonna add my remaining mixture to my shrimp, okay? So what the eggs and the milk does, guys, is gonna make your chicken wings and your shrimp to be nice and juicy, and it's also gonna make it be nice and crispy, and that's what we want, just like KFC, yeah? Then you want to take your hands and you're just gonna push your chicken wings right in the milk, okay? So it all coated. And you also want to do the same thing with your shrimp. Then you want to add your chicken wings to your flour mixture. Guys, make sure you shake off your chicken wings before you add it to your flour mixture, okay? And guys, make sure your chicken wings is all coated in the flour, okay? After your chicken wings is all coated, you're gonna want to shake off the excess flour, okay? So you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? I'm almost finished now, and guys, this thing right here take a lot of patience, I'm telling you. And now I'm gonna do my shrimp, and you just want to carry on with the same process, okay? So everything is all coated now, guys. So now I'm gonna fry it now. Yeah. So here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 1 cup of vegetable oil. And guys, wait for your oil to hot. So now I'm gonna add my shrimp first. Yeah. And you're gonna allow your shrimp to fry for at least 4 minutes. I'm not gonna add all of my shrimp because you don't want your pot to overcrowd, okay? So now I'm just turning my shrimp. So now I'm removing my shrimp, and guys, look at it. It's looking so good. It is nice and golden and just exactly how I want it. And make sure you don't over fry your shrimp, okay? So now I'm adding the rest of my shrimp that's left. So all of my shrimp is all fried. So now I'm gonna remove it now. These shrimp right here, they are so crispy. I'm telling you, this recipe is a must try. So now I'm gonna fry my chicken wings, and guys, make sure you remove all that bits from your oil, okay? Because you don't need that. Yeah, because you want your oil to be nice and clean. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings, and guys, wait for your oil to heat up, okay? Allow your chicken wings to fry for at least 5 minutes on each side, okay? And please don't overcrowd your pot, okay? And now I'm gonna turn my chicken wings, and guys, just look at that. It is nice and golden and crispy. Just perfect. So now I'm removing my chicken wings because it's finished fried, okay? Add in my remaining chicken wings. And guys, don't forget to make sure your oil is hot before adding the wings, okay? So now I'm removing my chicken wings because it's finished fried. And guys, stay tuned because I still have a bit more to fry, okay? So these are the last chicken wings that's left, and now I'm adding it, okay? And finally guys, all of my chicken wings is all fried, and now I'm removing it now. Yay, we did it. So there you have it guys, my fried shrimp and my fried wings. Guys, it looks so good. I'm telling you, it is nice and crispy and just exactly how I want it. I hope you guys do try this recipe because you're gonna love it. I'm just giving you guys a up close look. So guys, I'm gonna make some sauce to go with it. So here I have a quarter cup of honey, 1 spoon of chili seed, and just a teaspoonful of brown sugar, okay? So you're gonna add your chili seed and your brown sugar to your honey, and then after you're just gonna give it a good stir so everything will all combine together, okay? Then I'm gonna also add some black pepper, some Cajun seasoning, and some paprika, and it's half a teaspoon, okay? Then you want to give it a stir, okay? You want to mix it. Then you want to put it in your microwave for at least 2 to 3 minutes, okay? So that's what it look like after I remove it from the microwave. And as you can see, guys, it is nice and runny. Perfect. I'm doing a taste test with the wings, and guys, let me tell you something. The honey sauce goes so well with the chicken wings. Guys, it is absolutely delicious. Share this video to your family and to your friends and all over on your social media. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for many other videos like these, and don't forget to turn on your notification so you can receive more videos. Until next time, bye!